Today I'm going to be bringing in a little bit of spring into the home, and we're also going to be preparing our house for potential buyers. You guys know we're going to be moving this summer, so we're getting ready for that. So let's get started. This video won't be your normal cleaning video. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff off camera. It's mainly just to show you guys a little bit of the spring things that I'm gonna be bringing into the house and getting our house prepared and decluttered for potential buyers that will be coming and touring our house soon. So I'm gonna be doing that. So as you can see, I am getting all the kids' toys out of the bathroom. I'm gonna find a home for that. I am gonna clean the entire bathroom because the master bathroom is one of the most important rooms for, buyers that are coming into the house. So I'm gonna make sure everything is squeaky clean. And you guys have seen me clean this bathroom a million times, so I'm gonna do this one off camera this time, and I'll show you the after. I'm going to remove our towel that we have hanging up here with a hook on our shower glass door, just because it kind of clutters up that look, and you want a clear view into the shower. So I'm going to take that off and hang the towel on the actual towel bar above the tub. So you want to try to clear out as many personal products, items, decor as possible, especially in rooms like the bathroom, just so that potential buyers can visualize themselves in these rooms. So I went ahead and took all the decor off of the countertops. I still need to take all of our products out of the shower just so that they can see the real size of the shower and not be distracted by so many products. I really needed to declutter a lot of stuff in my closet. So I have 4 trash bags full of clothes, shoes, handbags that I'm going to be donating. And we have some bedding from the kids that we no longer need, as well as some other random little items from the house. So we're going to take a quick trip down to drop this off, and we'll be right back. Another place you guys have seen me clean a million times, the kitchen. But if you're selling your house, you know the kitchen is the most important room or area in the house. So I'm going to get this cleared off because we do have people coming in a couple of hours to come tour our house. So I want to make sure everything is clean and put away. I'm just refilling my soap right here though, but I'm going to put everything away, make sure my countertops are as clear as possible, and then I will show you the after.
But you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be a friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe. Ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I just need some closure.
So I filmed these clips the day before, so you'll see me with different clothes on in here, but I am so excited to be putting down my brand new rug by Ruggable. This portion of the video is sponsored by Ruggable, and I am so excited because it couldn't have come at a better time, because I definitely need a rug in my kitchen. Perfect for spring. I love it. So let me tell you guys all about it. Ruggable is a company that makes washable rugs. Yes, washable rugs. I actually think this is genius. These are perfect for your high traffic areas in your house. So your entryway, your living room, your kitchen, your bathroom, they're all machine washable. They're all spill and stain resistant. And since all the rugs are non-slip, it's totally safe for everybody, including your pets. So when you get your first rug, you're going to get the rug cover and the rug pad. The pad is what's going to make everything non-stick. It's going to stick to your rug. All the rug covers are interchangeable. So if I wanted to swap it out for a different print or color, all I need to do is buy a rug cover. So the instructions are super simple. They say to roll your rug print side in. You're going to move that out the way. You're going to unroll and position your rug pad to wherever you need it to be, sticky side down, and then you're going to take your rug cover, unroll it on top of the pad, and then you're done. I'm also doing a TikTok on this, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, I will have that linked down below. I am so impressed with Ruggable, and if you want to try it out for yourself, click the link in my description box because of course I have a coupon code for you. By clicking that link, you'll get 10% off your order.
There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need.
So the office is the first room you see when you walk through the front door, so we need to make this room as clear as possible without ruining all of my husband's paperwork or losing anything. He works in here every day, all day long, so we're gonna try to make it as neat looking as possible just for the showing.
That I just wanna be with you. Baby, it's a place where we could go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you. Get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold it tight, cause you're the only thing that I can't lose.
Hey guys, so I just got a package at the door in the middle of cleaning, and I thought I would show you guys what is in here. It's just a PR box, so yeah, so I'm not sponsored or anything by this. Good Molecules, I've never used these products. I've heard about them, but I've never used them. I think they're a clean skincare brand and they're really inexpensive. I just took 2 seconds and looked it up really quick, and they are available at Ulta. I have the overnight exfoliating treatment. I have this brightening toner, the priming moisturizer, and this discoloration correcting serum. I am really excited to try this. I love skincare. Exciting little package. All right, so we're gonna move outside for a little bit. Brandon and Braden are actually out here laying down some brand new stones that we got from Home Depot. We also picked up some flowers and bushes to put out here. We are going to keep it super simple. Curb appeal is super important when you want to sell your house. But also we don't want to go overboard because we are leaving in just a couple of months. So we picked up these flowers and we pretty much just laid them out, trying to figure out where we want to plant them. So this is pretty much the layout. We got all new dirt up here as well, but we also get a lot of leaves from our huge tree that's in our yard. Now I'm by the front door and I'm just gonna sweep all the dirt and leaves out. I did buy some new rugs to put out here, so I'll show you guys that later on.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start
So here it is, pretty much finished. We just need to get the leaves out of the yard. We have a flower pot up there by our steps. We need to put some flowers in, but this is pretty much what it's gonna be like. Onto the back patio. I love hanging out here in the fall and spring here in Texas. The summer, not so much, but I love it back here. All of the cushion covers have been washed and dried, so I'm gonna take those out the dryer and put those on so we can start to tidy up back here.
I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. Couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh 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 oh. Oh, I go, oh, 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 I sing along, but the look in your eyes when you told me goodbye is the one thing on my mind. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh 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 oh. I go oh 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 oh. I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, dig for a new sound more.
We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight.
So we've had blackout curtains in our room for the past couple of months and we love them, but they also make the room feel a little bit smaller and obviously darker. So we're gonna put our white ones back up. It gives it that more open, clean feeling, and this bay window in our room is a really nice feature, so we want to show that off for anybody walking into our room, any potential buyers. Just really opens up that space. Now that those are up, we're going to tidy up in here as well. Last but not least, I picked up this reversible rug, and the reason I got this is actually for this side. I love this pattern, so I'm gonna use this as my base rug, and then I picked up a different one to put over top, also from Target. It just says Our Nest, and I just love the look of a fresh, clean outdoor rug, so I'm gonna put that over top. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.